is our Yvette. She had 6 puppies on 7 May, and I believe today is 12 May. So it's been 5 days ago, and they're going to need to get their tails done today. It is urgently needed today. So we have 3 girls and 3 boys, and the first one is Kiwi. She has a red band, and she's a chocolate. Oh, there is Kiwi. She's a chocolate. And she wants me to say, let me, somebody's gonna poop here, mommy. Clean it up. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay. So this here is little Kiwi, chocolate girl. Can't really see. And the daddy is Rascal. Come on, baby girl, let me see your face. Oh, look at this face. Oh. Okay, mommy, I give her back to you. Then the next one is Kipper. He is really drinking away. He's a black boy. Let me see if she can take that nipple. Kipper is a black boy. Beautiful black, solid boy. Black, solid black, yes. Just a little tiny white bit. Tiny, tiny one. But he's a solid black boy. They're 5 days old. Tails are coming off today. Between 3 and 5 days. It's a small breed, so it's okay at 5 days, but that's the latest. Oh, you're so strong. Okay. I know. Then the next one is Orange Band. Her name is Kit Kat. Oop. Chocolate girl. Come on. Ooh. Chocolate girl. I know they look black on this light, but trust me, when I say chocolate, they are chocolate. This is not a black girl. This is a chocolate girl. And she says, oh, I want to drink. Look at her, how strong. Oh. Just adorable. Oh, look at this little sweet face. And we have a green boy. He's another big one. Oh my God, is he big? He's black as well. Solid black. And very, I think he's the biggest. Sure is. His name is Kenny. Oops, Kenny. Hold still. Let me show you off. That's Kenny. You don't know, you want your milk. Okay, Kenny. Hold on. He's all black. Baby. Oh, no. Don't fight me. Good baby boy. Oh. Kalua. She's small. Kalua is another chocolate girl. Look at this. She's gonna be toy sized. Mom really cleaned them up. That's little Kalua. Chocolate. Yes, baby girl. The last one is Corey. Not sure he's gonna make it. He lost weight. That's Corey. We are tube feeding him on a regular basis, but he's not very lively. That's little Corey. He weighed 3.7 ounces when he was born. Now he weighs only 2.9 ounces. So we're tube feeding him every hour and a half, but it doesn't look very promising for him. We'll do our best, giving him extra care. Yeah, he's not doing too good. He needs some special attention, which I'm gonna do right away. Look how small he is. Look how small this baby is. Just like a birdie. Oh, definitely have to take care of him right away. I do it around the clock, but he needs extra care. So I'm gonna give him some injectable antibiotics, some fluids. Hopefully he makes it. And this is it. This is our Yvette with 6 babies, and she's a very, very good mommy.